Welcome to the magic world of how things are made. Let's find out. In the town of Crujiville, there was a magic factory where they made the most delicious potato chips. Huge boxes of freshly picked potatoes arrived at this factory. They were all about the same size, round, and had a soft yellow skin. The first job in the morning was to wash the potatoes. A group of happy little water drops with shiny silver tails that sparkled like stars jumped for joy as they washed each potato until it looked brand new. Next came the peeling part. A special team of peelers took care of this. Gently, they took off the potato skins, showing their white insides. The peeled potatoes were then taken to the cutting room. There, the lovely Mrs. Blade, a wise old lady with silvery gray hair and a huge apron, cut each potato into thin slices. The slices slid down a long belt and kept thanking her for being so gentle. The next step was very exciting, and it happened in the frying room. Here, the slices met the hot, bubbly oil. This oil was always happy and sounded like music, making the potatoes dance as they fried. As soon as the potato chips came out golden and crispy, they moved to the flavor workshop. Here, the seasoning master was waiting for them, a magical being with a long beard like a cinnamon river and a top hat. And with a wave of his wand, he added the secret ingredients that gave them their special taste. The next step was cooling them down. The potato chips traveled through a magic tunnel where a cool breeze hugged them, letting them rest and get their final shape. Finally, they arrived at the packaging hall. There, the potatoes were carefully packed so they could reach the hands of the children in Crujiville. And so, every day in the magic factory, this careful process was repeated to bring joy and flavor to every corner of the world. The magical creatures who worked there and the potato chips were always ready to share their story with any curious visitors who wanted to learn the secrets of their enchanted world. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and give me a big thumbs up. It will help me out a lot with this. Thanks. See you soon.